Traveling abroad is always exciting. You want to capture every moment and share them with others. Recharging all your devices in countries with different outlets can be one of the biggest challenges you face. Zendur Passport Pro is here to help you. Zendur Passport Pro is specially designed for travelers. It includes a push-button fuse and ground connection, making it the safest global travel adapter out there. If there's an overload, the protection system will automatically engage to keep you and your devices safe. Simply press the button on the side to reset the fuse and restore power immediately. A ground connection is essential, but it's also the most complicated feature to put into a travel adapter. Passport Pro is the first travel adapter which can pass the latest safety certifications in Europe and the UK. Enjoy charging with the safest global travel adapter on the market. Passport Pro also includes industry-leading power delivery technology. Charging your device with the USB-C port, you can enjoy up to 18 watts of power and charge your devices more quickly than with the traditional USB-A port. There's no need to carry separate power adapters. With 4 built-in USB ports and an AC outlet, Passport Pro can easily charge up to 5 devices all at once. The unique press and slide control system allows you to quickly adjust Passport Pro to any outlet with just one hand. Traveling all around the world doesn't have to involve packing multiple power adapters and various connectors. Passport Pro is your compact, all-in-one solution, compatible with outlets in over 200 regions and countries, allowing you to travel with peace of mind.
Get off my car!